Hello everyone, I again welcome you all in the video series of Raspberry Pi. In today's video, we will see how to flash the operating system of the Raspberry Pi into the Raspberry Pi module. So as we already know that in the previous video I already explained that there is no hard drive where you can store the operating system of the Raspberry Pi in the Raspberry Pi chip or the module. So we will flash the operating system on the um, on the memory, obviously the memory card, and then we put that memory card into the slot given in the Raspberry Pi module. Okay, so I have taken a memory card of 32 GB. At least 8 GB is required to flash the Raspberry Pi operating system. So I have taken 32 GB of the memory card, and I used a memory card reader, and I have attached that memory card reader with the memory card into my laptop. So here you can see boot E is showing my memory card. Okay, so what will be the step, what will be the procedure to flash the operating system into the memory card? Then I will show you after installing the operating system into the memory card. I will show you how the operating system, how the desktop of the operating system looks like. Okay, so let's begin. So here we will open the Google Chrome. Okay, you can open any browser and simply type Raspberry Pi. Okay, Raspberry Pi. Okay, so when you search Raspberry Pi, here the first link, that is www.raspberrypi.org. So you have to open this link to get the operating system of your Raspberry Pi. So just click here. Okay. After clicking, you will be navigated to this page. This page is a official page of the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so here you can get different information about the Raspberry Pi, their module, their hardware. For example, teaching material is also available here. So you can download the teaching material from this official site. Okay, you can learn the codes online also. So we have to go on the computer tab. Okay, so on computer tab, when you click on the computer tab, you will get this page, and this page has having hardware, software, documentation. Okay, news, forums, and foundation. So to get the operating system of the Raspberry Pi, we will click on the software tab. Okay, just click it. After clicking here, you will see the Raspberry Pi OS. Okay, so it's written that your Raspberry Pi needs an operating system to work. This is it. Raspberry Pi OS, previously called as Raspbian. Previously, this operating system, Raspberry Pi operating system of the Raspberry Pi, is known as Raspbian. Okay, is our official support operating system. So install Raspberry Pi OS using the Raspberry Pi Imager. So we will choose this option. Okay. So Raspberry Pi Imager is the quick and easy way to install Raspberry Pi OS and other operating system to the micro SD card. So we have already inserted the micro SD card, ready to use with the Raspberry Pi. Watch our 45-second video to learn how to install an operating system using the Raspberry Pi Imager. So let's click this video. Let's see what is shown in this video. This is 45-second video. Choose an operating system. configure OS, choose the SD card, write and verify SD card. Okay, that's over. Okay, so so let's start the download. Okay, so there are three versions of that imager is available. One for Windows, one for Mac OS, and one for Ubuntu. So because I am having the Windows operating system, so I will click on the download for the Windows. Just click here and sorry, and that imager is downloaded. I have already downloaded that imager. That's why it's showing imager 1.7.2 bracket 1.exe. Okay, after downloading, just click here. Okay, give the permission. Yes. So the installer of this Raspbian opens. Welcome to the Raspberry Pi imager setup. Just click install. Nothing to do extra. Just click on the install. So the installation start and installation complete. Within a few seconds, installation has been completed. Okay. Now before run this, just click on the finish. Okay. Okay. Now this installer has been opened. Okay. But before installing before flashing the operating system on the SD card, first of all, please ensure that your SD card is already formatted. Okay. So, so I will open this SD card. This is memory card, and I will format first. Then I will flash the operating system on that SD card. So initially I will format it. So I will click on the format. Okay, I have chosen the SD card, the memory card, and first of all I am going to format it. That is start quick format, no problem. Okay. Okay, format complete. Okay, format complete. Now your SD card is now free. There is nothing in now there is nothing in SD card. Let's check it also. Okay, just click here and click booty. Okay, here there is no folders, no files. Okay, so our SD card is now formatted. Now we will begin the installation or the flashing the operating system into the SD card. So here the first option is choose OS, choose operating system. So when we click on this, we will get several options into it. So the first option is Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit, that is recommended. So we will use this OS to flash on the SD card, and Raspberry Pi OS others, general purpose operating system, media player OS, emulation and games. Don't bother about the other option. We will choose the first option where the Raspberry sign is also there, and this is also the recommended. Here you can see this is recommended. So we'll choose this operating system. Okay. Then the next is the choose storage. So when we click here, our drive, our SD card is shown after choosing the storage. So here you can see that I am using 32 GB of the SD card, memory card. Then click here and simply click on the write. After clicking on the write, the writing process or the flashing process of the operating system will start on the SD card. Okay, so click here on the write. Okay, there is a warning: all existing data on your USB, means your SD card, will be erased. Are you sure are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I'm sure. Yes. Okay. And here the writing process starts. Okay. So this will writing process will take about 10 minutes. Okay. So just wait for the 10 minutes. So I skipped the video, and now the writing operation has been completed, and verification process started. It verifies that whether the operating system has been installed properly or not, and this verification process will also take about 10 minutes to verify it. Okay, so let's wait for it. Now you can see that verification process is going to be completed within few seconds, and after verification your operating system will be installed, will be flashed properly in the SD card. So there will be the message after the verification also. Okay, 99 and finalizing. Okay, let's wait for the finalization process. Now that operating system has been properly, yeah. So Raspberry Pi, there is a message. Raspberry Pi OS 2-bit has been written to our SD card properly. Okay. Now you can remove the SD card from the reader. So I will remove the SD card, and I will put that SD card into the Raspberry Pi module. And in the next video, I will show you the connection with the monitor, with the display device, and I will also connect the keyboard and the mouse with our Raspberry Pi, and then we see how this the desktop of this Raspberry Pi OS will be displayed on the display unit. Okay, thank you very much.